Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Wayne here from Pulling Parts, and it's a nice cold one out. As you can see, there's frost on everything, but 99 Camry. Check it out. So we're looking for the right side front door actuator. It's called a let me see here. Right front door lock actuator. So there's a cover here to take the screw out. There's a cover here. There's a screw in there. There's a screw in the handle here. Then back here, there feels like there's something there. And then there's two screws under the bottom down here. So I'm gonna grab my screw gun and have at it. All right, so one screw. Two screws. And down here, I know there's a screw right there. Screw right there. There's a screw way down in there. Get to that one in a minute. That really should just pop right out of there. Well, broke it, but it's out. I guess that one really doesn't come out of there, I suppose. Okay, I see how it works now. All right, so screw for here. Gesundheit! As you can see, the parts puller in its natural habitat. Digging through his tools in the back of his van over there. He's working on that silver minivan over there. Hank's pretty cool though. Okay, then these just pretty much come pop loose, really. Okay. Oh, there's another screw down there, I'm assuming. There we go. Pop that off there. Alright. Oh, you can see that speaker is shot. Okay, all this plastic stuff has to come off here. it on out of there. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Gonna have to raise that window, so I'll be back with you guys. All right, so in order to raise the window, you have to find the wires. It's this red one and green one right here. Pull this clip out of here. Ugh. Okay, now, almost dropped you guys. What I'm going to do is cut these two wires right here. These run down to the window motor, like that. Some of this insulation off of here. You may ask why I'm doing this. Well, in order to get to the door actuator, which is back here, where these wires run to. See, the windows here is in the way. The windows got to go up. So this is the only way I know how to do it without a battery in the car. I'll take the screwdriver here, see if I can cut some of this with this. Yes, I have a razor knife. I don't feel like getting up and going and getting it. Same over here. Okay, now twist these guys together. You want to use a 12-volt battery. I like using, where I put it. Oh, here it is. Much better porta cable battery. Right here, it's marked positive and negative. Okay, so that's the wrong way. Switch them around. And the window will go up. Yeehaw. And then I'll have to plug it back in the other way to put it back down once I get the actuator for the door out. But that's how you make a window motor work without power to the car. Alright, we got a T30 Torx on here to get the latch out and take them 3 bolts there out. So it'll come off. The whole latch assembly is now loose, for the most part anyway. Metal rat thing for the window tracks in the wall. I'll need a 10mm to get this pulled out down here. to it. It comes out the way. Yes, it does. You guys situated a little better there. You see what I'm doing here. Pull this, move that out the way. Oh, there's still a door handle rod attached for outside door handle. Kind of see how it comes apart. It's got your typical plastic clip on it, like these green ones here. So just gotta get her to pop out of there now. I need a longer screwdriver. Longer screwdriver. Make sure I'm doing this right. There we go. Oh, another locking rod's attached still. Alright. Is it? Gotta be something in there somewhere. So as you can see, there's the actuator and latch assembly all together. This wire doesn't unplug from here, so I had to unplug it from over here. And then this one just unplugs right here. Get you guys set up there again. Plug that one. Oh, falling over. Alright, so there we go. These are them little clips I'm telling you about. These rods go into. See, there's one in it right there. Just move those with the thing and come right out. So yeah, fun stuff. I don't know how much more of this car I'm going to film, but if I film more, I'll be back. If not, be waiting for pulling parts saying have a nice day.